Once you have integrated your SumoQuote account with EagleView, you'll be able to order, search, and apply reports. We recommend pulling in your measurements before creating a report, but measurements will be updated in all reports if added after the report has been created. I'm going to open up a project, and from the project details page, I'll go to the top right corner and click on measurements. You'll see that EagleView shows up with the options to search and order a report. Ordering a report takes you to this page where you can search for the customer address. Once you confirm the location, you can continue to scroll down the page and make your order selections. When you have filled out all the required fields, you can place your order. Once the report is complete, you'll be able to search for it in SumoQuote. Alternatively, you can purchase your report directly through your EagleView account and search for it in SumoQuote. To search for a report, click on Search. The address listed under Customer Details will automatically be searched for. You do have the option to enter details into the search bar manually. When you see the report you want to add, select it and then click on Download this EagleView report. Not sure if your report is the right one? Go ahead and click on View, and the report will be downloaded to your computer so you can double-check the details before linking it to SumoQuote. The report will be linked to SumoQuote, and you have the option to view or apply. When you click on Apply, the roof measurement tokens will be populated here. Any measurements that have not been added from your report can be entered manually. If you don't see a measurement token that you want to enter, check out our measurement tokens video for how to add more options. Please note that EagleView reports cannot be uploaded as a file here. The only way to access your EagleView reports is to do so through the integration. You have the option to search for another EagleView report and download it. If you choose to apply this report, your measurement tokens will be changed to reflect the new values. This will also update any calculations you may have in your reports and will provide new quantity values. Once you have your measurement tokens filled out, scroll up and click on your project name in the top left corner to navigate back to your project details page to create or continue editing your report. And that is how to use your EagleView integration.